Hi, I'm Danielle with Godiva's Secret Wigs, and in this video I'm going to talk all about how to put on our top pieces. Now, first you're wondering, what's a top piece? Well, let me show you. So I'm actually wearing one of our top pieces. I purposely put it on in a color a little bit lighter than my own hair, so that when I put it on in a minute, you'll be able to see what's the top piece and what's me. So, let me fix my hair a little bit. So this is our long top. We also have it in a monofilament version, and then we have a medium top and a medium top in the monofilament version, and a Christie top, which is a shorter top piece. So all of our top pieces have 4 metal clips, 2 on the top and 2 on the bottom. So even if you only have a little bit of hair, these clips have this little rubber gripper on the inside, and it will grab the hair and it won't go anywhere. And if your hair is extra slippery, you could even tease your hair a little bit and then put the clip. So these metal clips, I just want to show you. So right now it's open. As you can see, there's like this little space between the teeth. And so if I push with my index fingers downwards, hear that snap? Now it's closed. See how you can't see anything there now? See that? So here I'm again, so my thumbs are going to be on the top and my index fingers are on the bottom. So right now I'm going to push up with my thumbs and down with my index fingers, and it's going to snap. So I'm kind of rocking it, closed, open, closed, open. So before you put it on, you want to make sure all 4 of your clips are open. When you're not wearing the piece, close all 4 clips. That way the hair won't get stuck in them. So my clips are open. So you can kind of decide where you want to put the top piece. If you have bangs, you'll kind of put it right behind the bangs. If you don't have bangs, you can either put it still a little behind or right up near your hairline. It's good to kind of play the first time and see where you really like it. So for me, I do have a little bit of bang, so I'm going to put it, so here's the piece. So I'm kind of holding it upwards. See how you can see the clips? So if you're looking in the mirror, you want to look so you can see the clips. You're going to put them down, and you're just going to rock it. And that rocking will grab some of the hair. And then I'm going to find the clips, and I'm going to use my 2 fingers and push down on the sides of the clips. Push down. Hear that snap? So once it's snapped, you know it's secure. And don't worry how it looks right now. So I'm going to do the same thing in the back. So here are my 2 clips, here and here. So I'm going to pull the piece so it's tight. I'm going to push the clips down and rock them into my hair, and then push down. And if you need to redo the front, you do the same thing. You kind of just rock it. So you basically want it nice and tight so that the whole base is expanded out. So once it's on, then you just kind of want to play with it a little bit. So like I said, this is not my color. I would wear the espresso color, which is a soft black. This is our coffee latte color, which is a great, really popular brown color. But I want you to see, so it has, this is the long top, has these little pieces here, and then it's kind of adding fullness all throughout. And for me, it's really adding fullness on the top because that's where my hair is really flat and thin. So with any of our pieces, with this one in the medium especially, if you do have a bang, it's great to take a little bit of this hair and even trim it to blend in with your own bang. If you don't have bangs, it's great to keep it long too. So to take off the piece, you're going to undo all 4 clips. So you're going to reach underneath, and your 2 fingers on the top, 2 thumbs on the bottom. You're going to push down with your index fingers while you're pushing up with your thumb. So again, it's a rocking motion. And if I was you, I would practice opening and closing it before you put it on your head. That way you're not stuck with your piece on your head. So same thing on this side. I'm going to undo it. And same thing in the back. I'm going to unclip, unclip. Now to take it off, you don't want to just pull it off because you're going to pull your hair. So what you want to do is just the same way you rocked it in, you're going to rock it out. So you're just going to lift right up and out. And then in the back, you're going to lift down. And that way you're not getting the clip stuck even more into your own hair. And then like I said, once you're done, you just want to close all 4 clips just to make sure that the hair doesn't get knotted in the piece. So again, these are how to put on all of our top pieces. They're really, really easy. And the great thing with a top piece is it doesn't have to exactly match your hair. It can blend with your hair. A lot of times people have a lighter color on the top and darker on the bottom. So if your piece is a little bit lighter than your hair, that totally makes sense also. Another thing people will do is get a hairpiece or a wig in a color they love and then take it to their hairdresser and say, hey, make me this color. It's really great for a hairdresser to actually see the color you want to be. It helps them make you that color. So I hope that's helped you learn how to put on and take off our hairpieces. Bye!